Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove or show formatting marks in Word. We start by opening Word and seeing our text. To show the formatting marks, we are going to click on the Show Hide icon. After that, we will see that all the format marks appear and can be edited. If what we want is to hide these marks, we will click on the same icon again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.